हम लोग इतना पीड़ित हैं कि हम बता नहीं सकते हैं।
झारखंड की राजधानी रांची में स्टूडेंट्स का प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है।
तस्वीरें अगर आप तक नहीं पहुंच रही है तो देखिए, ये हमारे देश का वीडियो है।
जिस राज्य ने सबको उजाला किया, आज उस राज्य में इतना अंधेरा है कि उसको देखने वाला कोई नहीं है।
What if 48 correct answers got you selected, but 100 correct answers were not enough? That's the question thousands of students in Jharkhand have been asking after the JPSC Civil Services result. And that one question has now turned into one of the biggest student protests the state has seen in recent years. So what happened? The Jharkhand Public Service Commission or JPSC conducted its civil services examination with nearly 36,000 candidates appearing. After the results were declared, several OMR sheets began circulating online. Students alleged that one selected candidate had only 48 correct answers.
एक बच्चा 48 क्वेश्चन कलर करके आता है, वो पास आउट है.
While many candidates claiming to have answered 100 or more questions correctly were not selected.
हम लोग 142 करके आए हैं, लेकिन हम लोग पास आउट नहीं है.
These allegations spread rapidly across social media and sparked protest across Jharkhand. As pressure mounted, the Jharkhand government handed the case to CID. The investigation examined the role of TDPL, the company responsible for conducting the examination. Investigators also arrested Abhay Tiwari, who had previously worked with the company. According to investigators, he had also cleared multiple government recruitment examinations. Investigators are examining allegations of a wider recruitment racket, and the legal process is still ongoing. The protest soon became about much more than one examination. Student leader Devendra Nath Mahato began an indefinite hunger strike, demanding accountability, transparency, and justice for aspirants. One of the biggest talking points has been the political response. Protesters have questioned why they believe that there are no visible support from major national political leaders despite Jharkhand being governed by a coalition government. Some students have also asked why leaders such as Rahul Gandhi and other senior opposition figures have not publicly taken up the issue in the same way they have supported students' movements elsewhere. At the same time, protesters have questioned why no senior political accountability has been fixed while the investigation continues. The JPSC chairman resigned, several upcoming examinations were postponed, but for thousands of students, that is not enough. Because for them, this is not about one exam, it's about whether India's recruitment system can still be trusted.
झारखंड सिर्फ खनिजों के लिए बनाया गया है क्या?
And until that question is answered, the protests are unlikely to end.